Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are safe and good at home. Today our topic is joint and its types. We will read from the page number 5. The skeletal system consists of bones and joints. Consists mean composed of. A joint is a place in a body where two or more bones meet with the help of tissue called ligament. The ligaments join the two bones at the joint and stop it from falling apart. Apart means into parts or pieces. Joints help the bones to move, but not all joints move. For example, the joint between the plates of the skull does not move in adults. Some joints move in all directions, such as the joint in your shoulder and the one in your hip. Such joints are called ball and socket joints. Some joints move your bones in one direction only, like the joints in knee and elbow. You cannot move them in the opposite direction. Such joints are called hinge joints. Hinge means turning point. Important points. Joint. A joint is a place in a body where two or more bones meet with the help of tissue called ligament. Joint ऐसा बॉडी में वो प्लेस है जहाँ पे दो बोन्स मिलती हैं. Types of joint. The first one is immovable joint. These joints cannot move. For example, the joints between the plates of skull. जो joints skull के दरमियान होते हैं वो move नहीं कर सकते and उनको immovable joints कहते हैं. Second one is slightly movable joint. Slightly mean in a small degree. These joints can move slightly. For example, the joints between the vertebrae. बैकबोन के अंदर जो joints होते हैं वो बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा मूव करते हैं, उनको slightly movable joints कहते हैं. Freely movable joints. ऐसे joints जो freely move कर सकते हैं. These joints can move freely. They have two types: ball and socket joint, hinge joint. Ball and socket joint, they are present in shoulders and hip. Hinge joints, they are present in knees, elbows and knuckles. Knuckles हमारी उंगलियों के दरमियान जो joint हैं उनको knuckles कहते हैं. Words meanings. Consists, be composed of. Meet, it means collect in one place. Apart, it means into parts or pieces. Slightly, in a small degree. Hinge, it means turning point. This is your first activity. Fill in the blanks. The skeletal system consists of dash and dash, bones and joints. A dash is a place in a body where two bones meet. A joint is a place in a body where two bones meet. The joint between dash does not move. The joints between the plates of skull does not move. Dash joints can move in all directions. Ball and socket joints can move in all directions. Dash and dash are the examples of hinge joints. Elbow and knees are the examples of hinge joints. Activity number 2. What is a joint? Name the types of joints. Where is each of the joint found in the body? Write any one activity you can perform with the help of your joints? Copy these questions in your notebook and answer them. Thank you, students. God bless you. Stay home. Stay safe.